In this video, we will discuss heal functionality. If I attack a strong attack here, then what will heal functionality do? It will increase its power. So, we'll see how it's done. We have taken a const variable, heal value, and given the value 20. We have kept it as constant because it will not change while execution. Then we have called heal button. In index.html, heal button is located. We have given the ID of heal button. In vendor.js with getElement by ID, we have taken heal button. In app.js, we have added event listener and have given the functionality of click and called heal player handler function. We will comment this function for the time being, and let's understand this. We have called increase player health. It is a function in vendor.js. This function is taking 20 value of heal. In the heal value, it is simply adding 20 in player health bar. There is no random value the way we did before. Simply 20 is added. In app.js, our current player health, which we initialized and chose max 100. We have added 20 heal in it. Then we have called endRound, which is a function. This function was called in attack monster. Here the full code is written. We have to use this code at two places. Instead of copying it, we have put it in a function. It is doing the same. It is calling player damage. If current monster health is less and current player health is greater, then game will be won. If current player health is less and current monster health is greater, then game will be lost. If both will have 0 value, then it will be draw. We have called endRound in attack monster. We have also put it in a separate function and called here also. If I go and call heal, heal was called and the value was decreasing. When my power is not lost, so the heal button must not work. For this we have applied an if condition. If current player health is greater, let me uncomment it. Okay, what we have done here is that we have taken a value of heal, current player health is greater. Choose next life is 100 and minus heal value. If we talk about operator precedence, then first choose max life 100 minus heal value will be called. If choose max life is 100 and heal value is 20. 100 is greater than 20, we have alert this. You cannot heal to more than your max initial health. This alert will go there and the value will be 100 minus 100 will be 0. If this condition does not work, then it will give 20 to heal value. When the power will be less, it will add 20 to it. It was a simple function. Let's run and see. If I strong attack, when I use heal, it will be healed. If I refresh and call heal, then it will give alert message. You cannot heal to more than your max initial health.